This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rice dosa at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of raw rice, 1/4 cup of urad dal, and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Additionally, have some salt and water ready. These simple components are the foundation for creating delicious, crispy dosas right in your own kitchen. Now, let's prepare the ingredients for grinding. Combine the raw rice, urad dal, and fenugreek seeds in a bowl, then soak them in water for a minimum of 4 hours. After soaking, drain the water completely. Next, transfer the soaked mixture to a grinder and process it into a very smooth batter, adding small amounts of water as needed to reach a fine, pourable consistency. The next crucial step is fermentation, which gives dosa its characteristic texture and flavor. Pour the ground batter into a large bowl, ensuring there is ample space for it to rise. Cover the bowl and let it ferment in a warm spot for 8 to 12 hours or even overnight. The batter should visibly double in volume and develop a light, airy consistency, indicating it's ready. Finally, it's time to cook your delicious dosas. Heat a non-stick griddle or tawa over medium-high heat. Once hot, pour about 1 ladleful of the fermented batter onto the center and quickly spread it outwards in a thin, circular motion. Drizzle a little oil around the edges. Cook until the dosa turns golden brown and crispy, then flip and cook briefly on the other side. Serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.